Oh
He's
no.
dead.
You don't just say that abruptly.
Oh.
It could be worse. It could be ground beef. It could be a new
All I
burger.
worried about was you in the end.
Wait, was he
Damn it.
worried about her? I have a short-term memory problem,
Dad, you're
apparently.
not telling me a damn thing. You know, I thought he was terrorist scum.
Okay, yeah, whoa. I mean, he was terrorist scum, but you don't say that to his
In
sister.
the end, all he really cared about was his sister.
Isabella, don't cry. Oh, me. Keep me inside. Oh, yeah, your necklace. Give her the necklace, Frank. Give her the bloody necklace.
He wanted you to have this.
Oh, pardon me. Oh my god, that is such a gaudy ring.
Papa. Mama.
Ooh, their parents. I assume they died in Santa Cabeza. I say assume. They might be fine. Yes, they're fine.
Mama.
Say what? What does that mean? Okay.
Did you figure it out?
Mama. Mother Earth. Our parents said that a lot. The place
Alright.
we lived.
Carlito is very sentimental, I guess.
Was blessed with nature.
Blessed with nature, I see.
Please believe me when I say my brother didn't want all this. He only wanted to live in peace in Santa Cabeza.
And of course, when it was all taken away from him, he decided to inflict the pain on other people. Aww. Young Isabella and Carlito look so cute. So cute. Oh, we got the facts. All cases closed, but... oh no. Alright, change slot. I guess just overwrite that. Stop. Okay, Isabella, let's talk. What's wrong? No, she's deep in mourning. Oh, rest in peace. Alright, what am I supposed to do now? Oh. Oh. Shit.
Frank, the emergency line's been frozen. I'll give headquarters a call. Hang on.
Oh shit, that was a jammer. They were talking about earlier in the game.
This is Agent Jessica McCarney. We have an emergency situation.
Wait, is that? Okay. Okay, there's nothing. Can I just go? I'll just go back. Okay, you know what? Chainsaw's about. Allows me to move forward and also get out of my way, zombie scum. There's nothing to tell me to go anywhere. Oh. Oh.
Frank, it's over.
What?
HQ's decided to ignore us.
God damn.
What do you mean, ignore us?
I contacted headquarters, but the government has decided to deny all knowledge of what happened here.
Oof.
Special forces will arrive for cleanup at midnight. They'll take everyone out. Zombies, people, everyone.
Oh no. Is this where she kills her? Is she gonna kill herself? Or did she get bit? What was that camera lowering down? I didn't even get that. Also, I just realized I'm outside now. I could be a target of these special forces. Oh yeah, something's definitely up with her. That sinister music all but confirms it. Alright. Don't even need a katana, but I'll keep it anyway. Because why not? Alright. And there's still no marker, so I guess. But I'm gonna continue going back toward the headquarters. Because I've got a save point anyway if everything goes wrong, so... Just keep going, just keep going, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, 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 just keep swimming. Well, I didn't see any special forces yet, so I guess we're good. Alright, let's go. Oh. Ooh.
Jessica McCartney? Talk about your close calls. You contacted us just in time. Your boss thought we should have a talk with you before the operation begins. We'll be taking you into custody. If you sign an agreement to keep your mouth shut about all this, you'll be free to go.
Aww. Jesse, take their offer. And... oh god. Yeah, no, she is. She's been infected. She's absolutely been infected. Oh. Oh. Hello, Jesse Zombie. Yep. Jesse's a zombie. So I am going the right way. Right, okay. Get out of the way, 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 get out of the way. Wait a minute, how did they get in the first place? Oh, hey Frank.
Jesse?
Jesse's a zombie now. Classic military meat cleanup. Ooh. Okay, well, there's no people bingity bangity bongity over there. I guess we're going to safe house. That one's dead. Oh, shit. 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 Both the soldiers are dead. And Jesse's glasses. Oh no! Has Jesse killed everyone? Oh! She's there. Alright. Hey, Jesse. Jesse? Well, rest in peace, Jesse.
Good.
Oh my god, I got an achievement from that! Hang on a minute, I need to see that achievement. Snapshot J. Just, it's not hovering over with the description. Alright. Well, I don't see any survivors anywhere now. Alright, okay. Oh, I guess let's save. We'll save and save slot 4. Change slot, let's save there. Gonna keep remembering my lesson. Oh well. Rest in peace, Jay. You gave me a great picture to attack Kent with. Alright. Hey, now what am I supposed to do? Is it just fuck around the time? Yes, it is fuck around the time. Alright, well. Soldiers are dead. Jesse's body has mysteriously vanished, but the soldiers are still here. Maybe Jesse came back to life. Hey Jesse, did you come back to life? I guess not. Also. Can't open there. I hope Otis is okay. It's a shame Otis is dead. Actually, it'd be a shame if all my survivors died. No. Okay. Okay, hang on. The hunk of meat is gonna disturb me. Get away. We'll just start killing zombies. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Might as well just get the kill counter going. Alright. Let us do. Not seeing any special forces yet, though. Bring in the special forces. Alright, well. Everyone's dead and gone, so. Masterful throw. They stole my cell. Anyway, onwards with the killing. say we go outside. Well, we've got 12 hours remaining, so no convicts, nowhere, anywhere. They're all gone. They're all dead. Let's go in the garage, I suppose. Nah, not gonna stay out here. There's not very much danger out here. Or I'd go back to Isabella. That sounds like a better idea. There's something there. Yeah. Right, onward, friends. To Isabella. The only person that I know is around. Ew. Yeah, they can't have killed all my survivors. I won't allow it. I will not allow it. Just rude. That's what it is. See how just casually relaxing this is. At least you're not hearing my clicks. Yeah, I don't think you are. Oh. Something happened. Ooh. Big B on a clock. That is actually so neat. Oh, they're the special forces. I expected a nuke sort of operation, not just soldiers shooting, but guess it's back in 2006. I keep saying 26, but like back in 2006, where they probably assumed that the US government would just nuke something. Alright, well, I don't see any US Marines yet. That's, your Marines are special forces, but alright. I know. But, hey, Isabella. We should be safe in here, right?
The military. They'll come, won't they?
How would they know where to find you, though?
It's just like Santa Cabeza. The government wants to cover this up, too.
Well, I won't let it. It's my honor as a journalist, a photojournalist, sorry. Also, a nice butt shot of Frank. Big that booty. Anyway, what up, Isabel? Well, at least I've got the truth. Let the military do the work, then make a move. Well, am I just supposed to wait here? Okay, I guess I do just wait here. Well. Alright, accept. Just overwrite. And I have to be in the helipad for the helicopter. I think. Zombies all over the ground. Why are there so many dead zombies here? No. I mean, I guess there's a strategic target and, you know, well, defending a gun store so that survivors don't use it on you, but it's a bit strange. Well, not seeing any soldiers yet. Oh, there they are. Oh! Whoops. I'm sorry, I thought you were zombies. I'm sure they'll accept that. Oh, no, no. You get away from me, fiend. I guess I'll just go around a little bit. See if there's anything to kill. Yeah, let's go to clothing stores. See if we can kit Frank out. So wait, no, actually, I don't want to kit Frank out. I think it looks awesome. Ooh. Alright, no, that was just a policeman. Is that engage? Oh, shit. That's just gonna engage with me. It feels like... Okay, yes, it is, yikes. Ouch. Fuck. Ow. Run. 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 Oh. Where's the convict, Okay, yeah, they are definitely shooting at me. Run away! Inside! I need weapons for this. Alright. Ah, special forces there, they're fine. They'll be fine. Just need to grab a wee bit of a sniper rifle and then let's just grab. I don't need that big reader, do I? So I'll grab 2 snipers. Thanks, someone. Alright. Still the best weapon in the game by far. You saw it. You saw those 2. They're trying to knife me. They're going to give me the Glasgow smile treatment. I defend myself. I swear. Also, take that cleaver. Okay, interesting. Okay, alright. Wait. Alright, okay, we got the snipers. Because there's no minigun for me to use. Back to my core night business of kill, maim, burn. Kill, maim, burn. There is some sort of achievement for killing that helicopter. Hang on. Let me see. Dead Rising 1 helicopter. Helicopter. Alright. Wait, the real Mega Buster? What the hell is the real Mega Buster? Oh. That's a kill all zombies thing. No. I don't have that. And the machine gun. Where's the machine gun? Oh. Okay. Well, I ain't about to use that. Hello, Special Forces. Ow! It shot me. You saw that. Oh. Okay, right. I don't need this anymore, do I? Nothing's gonna hurt me. Well, no one's gonna escort me. Let's say. Alright. Alright. Machine gun. There we go. Let's go take out that copter. Oh. Firstly, nom 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 nom. Alright, okay, let's see. Picnic shelter and leisure park. Picnic shelter. Where's the picnic shelter? Oh! Stand on top of that. Right. I gotcha. I gotcha. Ooh. Ow! You nearly got me, you bastard. Okay. Oh. My dudes. Enough is enough. Where is it? Okay. Ow! Stop preventing me from going to picnic shelter, you arse. Alright. No! Let me get up! Bastards! I want to kill that helicopter. No. Okay. It's not working. Alright. Alright, no, I need to fall back. Get reinforcements. AKA orange juice. Lots and lots of orange juice. Run, 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 run. Ow. Good. I heard it when you were firing rockets at me. Where are the soldiers? Oh, they're there. Oh, there's more. They didn't even shoot at me. Maybe I'm the bad guy. Oh, shit. Okay, right. I don't need these snipers. I don't think. I mean... don't need a Molotov particularly either, but... Alright. Back up there I go. Pick up my chainsaw. Legendary soldier. What was that for? It can't be here. Okay. Get my chainsaw back. And guys go to the save point. That's where I killed a lot of people. I have so many machines. Oh, hey, Highway. Nice pyramid, man. I didn't even let you finish your pyramid before complimenting you on it. I'm in the end game, by the way. Fighting soldiers, US military now. I've been using it with chainsaws. I don't even have easy. Well, tell me after the stream which are the links to add for the emotes. You know? It's a two-way street. Oh. Alright, okay. Gun. I need the gun. Alright, helicopter. Where are you? Getting off on that picnic. Death thingamajig. No! Come on! Get off me. No! No! Oh god. Ow. It's not letting me get up. Let me get up. Oh. Okay, right. Oh shit. I got a cinematic for that. Oh god. Ow. What's that? Get away from me, please.
Shit.
Explicit. Yeah, you're right. Where's all my shit? God damn it. Look away, both of you. Stop panting, Frank. I'm gonna reload no matter what, but at least I experienced this part of the game.
Whoa.
Alright. My items! My fucking items! Alright, okay. Alright, okay, which... Yeah, slave slot number 4, I guess. I decided to change it to number 4, I didn't die. Yeah. Okay, alright. Just keep running, just keep running. Oh! You fucks. You're not arresting me today. Still need to shoot down that helicopter. Wish I had the minigun. The minigun would have been so good for this. Alright, okay. The shelter. Try and get out in the shelter again. No! Oh, there we go. Now where are they? Where are they? Ah, perfect. Oh, thank you, Oz. Kind that doesn't TW for following me. Really appreciate it, man. Fucking helicopter. Get down! Get down here. Get down! Is this what I'm supposed to be doing? Am I supposed to be sitting here, just... Just shooting the military in the helicopter? Hang on a minute. Okay, I'm supposed to be shooting at a tail rotor. Alright. Oh shit. Okay. Guess that doesn't count. You know what? No. We're switching strategy. Okay, no. I want to kill this thing so bad. Oh my. You know what? Machine guns were working better, I think. Glug, glug, glug. Here we go. Alright, where are they? Ow. There they are. No, do not roll like that again, you... Swear to Jeebus. Oh. Dirty trick! Oh, just... I wish the convicts were still around. Steal their minigun and deal with this. Okay, no, that doesn't appear to be working. Alright, no. Alright, let me get up! There we go. Maybe I can't beat them. Maybe I just can't. No, there's an achievement for this. Nonsense. Oh. Just go back to reloading. Alright, well, I'm not good at sniper, so I'm going to get rid of the sniper. And what I'm going to do is use the Molotov. Where are they? I'm coming out here. Alright, soldiers, where are you? Didn't really do much, did it? You're just staring at me. Ow! Did you think that was really a priority for you? Dick. Okay, alright. Okay, let's get some orange juice and then get back out there. I want to kill that helicopter. I want to. It's become a point of pride for me at this point. Nope. Nope. Get away. Oh, come on. Alright. Hang on a minute. Why have I got 9 notifications on my... Oh, what the fuck, Highway? No, Highway! Link it to me after the stream, not during the stream. Alright. Alright, how did I get up here again? Oh, there we go. Aim at the tail end, tail end. Okay, alright. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna try and aim at them. Oh! Haha, missed me. Okay, one gun down. Alright. Alright, let's actually see a more comprehensive guide for it. Shooting it. Shoot it as it approaches. Wait, what? Where? I've lost it. Where is it? Okay, no! Yeah. Let me climb on a zombie. It's really not what I meant. Ah, there we go. Okay, as it approaches, shoot at the tail end. Also, drinky drink. Alright. Okay, come on. Come at me. Come at me, bro. Ooh! I got it. I got it. Crash? Are you gonna crash? Aw, it didn't crash. Alright.
Fantastic.
Ooh, PP sticker. Well, now what? What am I supposed to do? Got all these guns, but nothing to do with them.